How to hire Ruby on Rails developers. The Ruby programming language is on average faster than its competition, such as PHP and Python. Rails is Ruby's framework that accelerates development by reducing the amount of code writing. As a result, you save money and deliver a high-performance app in a shorter time. Some famous web apps built on ROR are Basecamp, Airbnb, Shopify, GitHub, Twitch. Let's find out different hiring options and pinpoint their pros and cons. Hire Ruby on Rails developers in-house. Hiring in-house workers is a traditional type of employment that is still relevant in a lot of firms. Pros. Dedication. Employee works exclusively for your company. He or she will devote all their time and energy to your projects. Corporate culture. In-house Ruby on Rails engineers become an integral part of the company, brand, and team. Employees can establish a real connection to the company and its products. Cons. Limited talent pool. You may have difficulty finding Ruby on Rails developers with sufficient experience if you live in a small town. You may miss out on extremely talented ROR engineers who do not reside nearby. Elevated costs. In-house hiring is an official process that requires adherence to a bunch of legal HR measures. Your company is required to cover employee insurance, taxes, pay for office equipment and vacations, etc. Hire freelance Ruby on Rails programmers. In this case, freelancers are remote developers who usually work per project and have a number of benefits. Pros. Cost-effectiveness. Freelancing is cost-effective. You do not need to cover office equipment costs, pension, taxes, etc. Freelancers receive an hourly rate, or you can agree upon a fixed price that a freelancer will receive after the project is finished and approved. Large candidate pool. Freelancers mostly work online, which makes their location irrelevant to the collaboration. This aspect significantly broadens the search, as you can hire Ruby on Rails developers from all over the world. Cons. Less control. There is a level of trust that you have to establish when collaborating with a freelancer, and if it's missing, your project might suffer the consequences. Use the IT staff augmentation model. It refers to borrowing one or several specialists for the project duration. As opposed to freelancing, the staff augmentation team becomes a part of your in-house team. They work for you and with you for the entire project duration. Pros. Quality guarantee. Working with a staff augmentation agency adds an extra layer of security and reliability. Your staff augmentation partner will guarantee the performance you agree upon and take care of all the paperwork and legal actions. Rigorous vetting. IT staff augmentation agencies conduct a very thorough vetting process before they hire Ruby on Rails developers. If you decide to use their services, you will end up with top-notch professionals whose experience is proven. Cost reduction. IT staff augmentation will also save you on expenses, especially in the long term. Your organization will reduce the cost of management overhead, as well as training costs. Your staff augmentation partner will take care of the training and onboarding, leaving you with no preparation tasks. Cons. Nothing. Literally nothing. If you require a top Ruby expert, check out Optymize, a platform with a rigorous vetting process that consists of 5 steps. Only 3% of all applicants successfully pass the tests and make it into Optymize's database. Unlike most freelancing platforms where you might encounter quite a lot of scammers, Optymize guarantees that you get top-notch and highly skilled Ruby on Rails developers. Connect with us today.